It's very quiet and peaceful out here. And you're in nature, and nature never looks the same any 2 days. It's a lovely place to be. David and I have been ranching for over 25 years now. I grew up in a small town, rural Texas. This feels like home to me. It feels like where I was raised. My grandparents and my father moved to South Texas in 1936. They were Dust Bowl survivors.
Across the Great Plains, the exhausted earth, broken by the plow, parched and eroded, begins to blow away in great black blizzards. By the thousands, they abandon their homes, flee the Dust Bowl.
Both of my parents were very determined and very hard workers. My dad wanted to make sure that we were provided for and that we never wanted, for the necessities of life. When we first started, you always thought about just raising cattle and, selling those cows and making money. And I think the longer we've been doing it, you realize that you have the environment, the grass and the forages and the soil, and everything is very interrelated to raising those cattle. So I think it's made us better stewards of the land, understanding the whole environment and world that we live in. AgriLife Extension is our primary source for anything ag-related, whether it deals with our animals, the soil, foliage, our garden, anything.
When I first became a county extension agent, I was told that people don't care how much they know until they know how much you care. And I think that really underlines how we have to be good extension agents. We have to go out and show the people that we work for that we care about them, we care about their land, we care about their agricultural pursuits. And at the end of the day, because we care, they can trust us that when we say we'll do something, that we'll do it. Or when we say that we have something that could be impactful for them, that they're willing to take it on because we've built that trust.
That modern technology is such a simple thing, that hay roller thing, but it's so, yes.
We have participated with AgriLife Extension educational programming for over 20 years and have thoroughly enjoyed really all the classes that we've attended. Lori and I have talked about this often. We'll go to some class on a topic. It could be working cattle with safe practice type training, and how informative all of the speakers are and how impressive they are in terms of being able to impart their knowledge to the participants in the classes.
The AgriLife Extension has opened our eyes to a lot of practices and now have become some of our best practices. I think seeing things improve and get better is being a good steward of not just the animals, but also the land, and taking care of both of those to leave it better for the next generation.